Paulie from EMD Automotive. Just finished installing this, and I got it programmed at Porsche Parramatta. Everything works now. This car didn't have this car had the same steering wheel as this one, but they didn't have the multifunction. Multifunction, you get that one, the little buttons there, and a little buttons there. If you don't have the multifunction, that will just be just like normal. There's nothing there, and just all you got is that and the pedal shift. So everything now works on the pedal shift. The radio works. The buttons there. The phone, I tried the phone already. This one works. Scroll up and down. This is the selector. Go back. See? You see it? Pretty much everything works now on the steering wheel. This one here now. I'll put the volume down. You can hear it. Sport, Sports Plus. Just turning that. Alright. So everything's done. Airbag's good. Successfully done the actual multifunction steering wheel. And the actual door seal lights all installed as well on both sides. So when you open the door at night time, you can see it. It's pretty nice to have. Yeah, 991 Mark II Carrera GTS. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.